Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So we've got a new unboxing for today, and so we've got this new EDC survival kit from Ozark Trail. So, and also you already know where to buy this one, right? So this is from Walmart. So yeah, here we go. So we got some nice, and it's also hard shell case. Okay, and the hard shell case is a cheaper one than the other one, right? So yeah, so this is only a couple of bucks, right? So yes, and also the other one is just only 20 plus, right? So I think it's gonna be about 29. Okay, so I forgot. So yeah, so but I'm gonna have to that one, right? So because I'm gonna have to compare this one, I'm gonna have to compare. So what's inside is also the durability, and also this one, right, is also a nice one. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna have to open this up. Okay, and then let's go check this one. Okay, let's go check in what is inside of this survival kit, and it comes with a hard shell case, right? So it comes with a hard shell case. So yeah, that was hard to open it. Okay, there you go. Okay, and then gonna have to open this one over here, and then nice. Okay, there's like that one. Okay, I'm gonna have to take it off. Okay, so nothing. Okay, it's just only a warranty card. Okay, so I'm gonna have to keep this box again. I am collecting boxes like other boxes, right? So it's because of the awesome design. All right, and also we've got right over here is a big, just like a lunchbox, right? So just like a lunchbox. So how to open this one? I think it's right over here, and then also have to open also the front. There you go. And then let's go check some item. Oh, we got some one over here. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to check. Okay, again, I'm gonna have to check the box. So what is inside? So include is a water bottle hook. Okay, we've got a locking carabiner. We got a commando saw. Oh, okay. Paracord bracelet compass. We got a folding knife, a multi-function card tool. Oh, nice. Whistle, magnesium fire starter, emergency blanket, and carry case. Oh, I think this is the emergency blanket, right? So I think this is the emergency blanket. All right. So we've got also right over here. This is gonna be fit in my hands, I think, because the other one is really. I think the other one is it's big. Yeah, it's too big for my hands. It's too big for my wrist, right? So, but it's still good. I already have this one when I bought this on Timo. So, but I forgot what is this one. Okay, I forgot what is this. Okay, locking. Is this the water bottle hook? Right? Yeah, okay. Yes, okay. Alright, okay. So I think I'm gonna have to check it out. Right, there you go. So yeah, can I see it clearly, right? So yeah, there you go. Nice, okay. So gonna have to put it back on. Okay, I'm gonna have to put it back, and then next is we got some Ozark Trail EDC knife. Okay, we've got some nice. Ooh, I love the design of this one also, right? I love the design, right? And then also you just have to press it like that one to fold it again, right? So nice. Okay, so what is this one? We get a whistle, right? There we go. We get a whistle. Okay. And then it's a fire starter kit. Okay, we get a fire starter right over here. And then also we get a carabiner, right? And then also we've got some over here is for the water bottle. Yeah, and then also is the ruler. Okay, this one right over here, right? So we've got some, and then this also right over here. Oh, okay, why is it so? I think, yeah, it's a ruler, right? So, and then also they got some also right over here, in which you can use this one. You cannot take that up, right? So there you go. Yeah. Oops. Okay. I just take it off. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. So it's gonna be right over there. And then have to, okay, put it back right. Okay, there you go. And then you have to put it back right over here. So let's go gonna peel this off. Okay, let's go gonna have to take it all over here. So yeah, there you go. So we got this one right over here is for your bottle. So gonna have to put it one right over there. And then also we've got right over here is also a carabiner, right? Nice, it's a carabiner. Okay, and then got some a fire starter, right? So we've got a fire starter, so I don't want to use this one inside the house. Okay, here you go. And then also we've got also the knife. Okay, yeah, so where to put this one? So I'm gonna have to put this one right over here. So gonna have indent like that one, and then also this one I'm gonna have to put it like that one, right? So, and then we've got some whistle. Okay, I cannot test it out is because there's a dog, so he's gonna be pissed off if he's gonna be like that one, right? So I'm gonna have to put it one right over here, and then this one also. I think I'm gonna have to put this back, right? So just to secure, right? So not to be tangled by the other tool right over here. And there you go. And then we've got the emergency blanket that I can be put in right down here. So have to close that one. Yep, that's not okay. All right, so I'm gonna have to use this one right over here, and then I think that one, and then yeah. So since I forgot how to like that one, right? So then there you go. And then I think it's because there's you can have to still, there you go. Yeah, still I can still close it up, right? There you go. Yeah, and it's a perfect one. It's a perfect EDC survival kit, right? So let's go gonna open it again. So let's go gonna open it again, right? There you go. Yeah, then have to close it again. Okay, this was gonna, okay, so it's because hard to close this one, and then there you go, and then there you have it. Nice. Okay, so sorry for the shaky, because the handle of the right is gonna be very good. There you go. So we've got an Ozark Trail EDC survival kit, and it's just only cost just only a couple of bucks, right? So for $14, and then this was the cheapest than the other one, right? So they got this one right over here, which is a really good one. Ozark Trail is one also the cheapest brand out there, right? So, and it's also available in Walmart. So I don't think it's available in Target, right? So yeah, since I think it is only available in Walmart, right? So I don't know if Target has also this one, right? All right. So yeah, there you go. So we've got a new EDC survival kit, my first EDC survival kit. So I still gonna have to buy those other one, right? And I'm gonna have to compare what's inside of it also from the other one, right? So okay, I think that's it for this video. So and I hope you like it. So thank you so much for watching and see you again on the next one. All right.